Welcome to Traegar Smoking with Jon-Mark. Today we're going to smoke something special in our Traegar Scout. Today I'm grilling mushrooms on the Traegar Scout. Big, healthy, wonderful looking mushrooms. There's 6 of them right now. They've been on smoking for about 1 hour. Next thing I'm going to do is add some extra special stuff. We're adding some Happy Cow cheese. There's Happy Cow cheese on the top. Spread that out. I shredded Happy Cow cheese a minute ago. Looks nice and piled up, huh? And then we're going to add some brags. Special brags. Brag sprinkles, what it's called. It smells good now. I'm downwind from it. So between the cherry wood and the sprinkles, crispy, fresh, gourmet, crispy onions. Like onion rings like you have on Thanksgiving in your green bean casserole. Adding a few of those, so that's kind of the final touch here. There we go. Yummy! This is all in the Traegar Scout. 6 nice big Portobello mushrooms in the Traegar Scout. Close the lid, get back to heat. Okay, we're an hour and 30 minutes into the smoking process. See how we're looking here. It looks pretty good. The cheese is doing real well. Looks like the Portobello mushrooms are doing pretty good. You hear it roaring in there. So here's what it looks like in the end. It's all pretty. Everything's melted. The onions are gorgeous. The mushrooms are perfect. It is wonderful. That's a Portobello mushroom from Costco, cooked on the Traegar Scout grill. See you next time.